We have an important announcement. See, when you have an important announcement, Anna, you have to scream it to some degree.
You do.
Yeah, you have to get people's attention. Give them a little. Okay. All right, we're going to do the Oscars here. Will we be actually, covering it in any way, shape, or form other than watching it? No, don't get us wrong, okay? Right. But just like we did with the Super Bowl, we're going to do an Oscar watching party. Right. So you guys watch it at home. We're going to watch it here. And Anna will be here, I'll be here, Ben, Matt, Christy, Alonzo, the whole What the Flick crew. Mark Thompson will be here. There's some chance that Ben and Mark are in the same room. There's going to be significant betting.
Yeah.
Jimmy Dore is going to be here.
What? There's betting?
Oh.
Interesting. And all of a sudden now I'm even more interested than I was to begin with. Now let me just say that I can't wait for this. I'm really excited. And obviously we think that we're so interesting that you guys want to watch us watching the Oscars.
Listen, so I know that sounds funny, right? And then we did it the same thing for the Super Bowl. But first of all, for anybody who doesn't like the idea, it's optional, dude. You don't have to watch it. But second of all, no, but like, it makes it feel communal, and we get your tweets, and then we get drunk, and then we go to the mic, and we say funny things, we read your tweets.
That's the thing. I mean, what you guys don't understand is we have like a confessional. We're going to have the confessional booth, right?
Well, obviously.
That's the best part of it. Cenk gets really inappropriate when he drinks. I didn't realize how inappropriate he gets until the Super Bowl. But yeah, like we go over there, we share our opinions, we get a little feisty. It's a lot of fun.
So there's a lot of people now thinking Cenk gets more inappropriate?
Yeah.
I actually do. Anyway, it's going to start at 3:30 Pacific, 6:30 Eastern, if I'm not mistaken, on Sunday, March 2nd. Okay, Sunday, March 2nd. Oh, and by the way, where is it? This is important. It's at youtube.com/whattheflickshow. Okay, we're going to be airing it live on youtube.com/whattheflickshow. Okay.
So my proposal was that we all dress up and get all glitzy glam, similar to those who actually attend the Oscars. And it's a serious proposal that Cenk has no interest in. I think I might actually dress up. Is that weird?
No, that would be awesome. No, look, if I don't have to do it and the others do it, I mean, I don't want to feel like alone, like I don't want to feel like a dork, but on the other hand, I mean, it'd be cool if you dressed up.
I know, but I don't want to be the only one either. So.
All right, well, we'll talk to Ben and Christy and see if Alonzo is usually into those things, right? We've gone to his theme parties before, so it's possible.
All right.
You tune in, you never know what's going to happen, and we'll go nuts based on the winners. The problem with betting is that Ben already knows who's going to win. So I don't know if because you know why? Because he's a betting professional. So of course it's all with fake money. So he's checking the odds all the time, so he already knows. So he'll win all the pools. All right, anyway, fun for everybody. Come check it out with us. Go.